Hi everyone! こんにちは! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Today, I will show you how to make baby food for 5 to 8 months old. Due to popular demand, I decided to continue this series. I hope you feel happy for it. So I would like to introduce baby food for the ages of groups and roughly divided into babies for 5 to 8 months old and 9 to 12 months old. And this time, I'd like to introduce the baby food for 5 to 8 months old. So this time, we will make the fruits-based smoothies. So this is the smoothies. So the parents and the babies might be able to share. And what is a surprise? We will use fruits and also the Japanese rice. So please look forward to it. As always, my family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as our helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So how was this fruits-based smoothie recipe videos? I hope this recipe will help you to make healthy and nutritious baby food. And here are the tips and recommendations for today's menu. Tip for the babies from 5 months old to 8 months old, it should be better to be cooked. So please lightly warm the food. Tip, yogurt should be fed after 7 months old. So please remember it. Tip for the babies who are not yet used to eating the fruits, feed them little by little while keeping an eye on them. Those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Would you like to know more about Japanese food, baby food, and family life in Japan? I started my second channel. It's called YUCa's Diary. YUCa's Diary. Also, I sent a newsletter. Hi. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. A pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. And if you see my video for the first time, thank you for coming. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I introduce Japanese home cooking recipes, including baby meals and kids meals. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for always supporting and like my videos. Your like button motivates me to film new, informative, and interesting videos. Okay everyone, have a great day, great weekend, and wonderful new week. We'll see you next time. Bye bye!